Our gloss medium is completely dried here. So we're going to glue our tree to the front here. So put the glue all the way along the outside of the perimeter, plus all the little places on the die cut that jot out a little bit. There we go. All right, so I'm going to lay this down like this. Make sure the die cut lines up completely. And then our die cuts here. So this one here, we're going to put some glue on it and we're going to inlay it right into that opening. You could leave it like this if you want, but I really like the look that gold embossed die cut gives it. I think it really helps finish it off. So this part as well, you want to get glue onto all of those little pieces that stick out, plus a little bit down the center. And then it's going to be just like fitting a puzzle piece into a puzzle. So we just inlay it right in there. There we go. And then I do like to put an acrylic block over top of it. And then just a bit of weight just to hold it down a little bit so that glue gets some good contact. So I'm going to let that sit for a couple minutes and then I will be back and we'll glue in the last one. All right, that has had a couple minutes, so take it off and it's good. So this here, you could leave it like that if you wanted, but we've got these die cuts anyways. Adding this in the back just finishes that off, and that way you don't see the back of the other die cut. So the one thing though is we're going to put the glue on what would be the good side of the die cut. The side you would normally have showing. Just because if we put the glue on the wrong side, then the die cut's not going to match because it's not symmetrical. And same as the front, we want to put glue on all of those little nooks and crannies. Just so we don't have anything poking out. Tiny little bit on that trunk. And then exactly the same as the front, we're just gonna poke it in like a puzzle piece. There we go. And same as the front, I'm gonna put my acrylic block on it, put away. So, got ahead of myself once again. Let's add the sentiment to the card. So this time I'm just doing a happy birthday card. You could make this Merry Christmas, make it winter. It could be a masculine card, whatever you want. So I've got my stamp right there. Let's put it so you can see it. And I'm just going to ink it by using the stamp positioner. If by chance it doesn't stamp perfectly, I can re-ink the stamp and go back at it, but it did stamp absolutely perfectly. So we are good to go. And there we are. Our birthday card is done.